Hi, subscribe to my channel for more videos. Also press the bell button so that you never miss any update from me. Also do not forget to like, comment and share with your friends. Namaskar, namaste and hello to everybody out there. Welcome back to my channel Be With Shree and I am SHYAMASREE. If you follow me on my Instagram, you would know that recently I had attended a wedding and I also got a chance to do my Mashi's, my aunt's makeup. So here we start. So first I am using Miss Claire primer over here. Primer is really very important and it helps to hold your makeup for a long time. And now I am using the NYX eyebrow palette over here and filling her brows. After that I am cleaning the edges of the brows with the concealer Maybelline Fit Me, and then applying it on her eyelids as an eyeshadow primer. Priming the eyelids before applying eyeshadow really helps the eyeshadow to pop up. Here I am blending it with a beauty blender, small beauty blender, and then I am setting the eyelids with a powder. Mashi was wearing peachy pink color with golden work Banarasi. So I applied a golden color. This color eyeshadow is from H&M, and then I took brown shade. I was using Huda Beauty palette, so I used a brown shade to do her crease. And now I am using a black color in the outer corner in a C shape. Doing the same on the other eye and blending it properly. And here Mashi says that everything is okay, she likes it. And then I am going to do her base. She uses Max Factor foundation, and with that I have little bit mixed up my MAC Face and Body foundation, and then I will be blending it with a buffing brush very properly. As you can see, I am using it on the neck and then again on the ear. These areas are very important, shouldn't be forgotten. And then I am applying Maybelline Fit Me concealer as a highlighter and then setting it with a compact powder, color essence powder that I have. And now I am doing the contouring. Though she has very good features, sharp feature, but still a little bit was required since the foundation quite a bit made the face flat. Now highlighting the higher points. Setting the face with the setting spray from NYX, and then going back to the eyes which was left. I am little bit smudging it, smudging the kajal, and again on top of that I am applying little bit of eyeliner as well. Now I am tight lining the eyes. Now using Maybelline mascara and applying the mascara. Now I am applying kajal on the lower lash line and smudging it with a brown eyeshadow. Time for some blush, and see how Mashi is smiling. Isn't it cute? You should always smile and apply your blush. Before applying the lipstick, I am just brushing up her lips with the foundation left on the brush so that there is a very good pigmentation. And voila! We are done. Isn't she looking super pretty? Please do comment down and let me know how much you like this. And I will see you next Tuesday with another video. Till then, stay happy, stay well, and do not forget the 3 L's of my life. Live and let live, love and share the love, and laugh make others laugh. Bye bye and take care.